Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create or make a frame on Canva. So the first thing you have to do, let's say assume you have a picture. Let me just choose any picture here, a picture I would love. Let me choose this picture here. Good. So let's assume I want to create or make this picture into a frame. All you have to do is to click on the element section here, and once you've clicked on the element section, search for frame or mockup. Either keywords will bring you to go ahead. This is what I was trying to say. Mockups and frames will give you the basic well, I say a basic format or basic skeletal format of what you want. However, mockup will make it more elegant, to give a better aesthetic appeal. Good. So since we are looking for frame, just it depends on the frame you want to use. Let's say I want to create a circle. I can choose this circle frame, or I can choose this love frame, and then take my image into it, and it appears this way. We can expand it to see it better. So this is how to create a frame for your pictures on Canva. If you enjoyed this video guys, please comment and leave a like below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day guys.